I used to get all Yanni's hand-me-downs, and at a stage I was 17, he was 19. As an older brother, you never like when your younger brother starts having bigger feet or he's becoming a little bit taller than you, and eventually my feet was getting bigger than his. We didn't have shoes to run, and the hand-me-downs was too small for me. So Yanni was playing for the under 19s of the Cheetahs, and they were sponsored by Adidas. He didn't take a size 11, he took a 12 and a half for me. And then the coach or the manager at the time said, "But Yanni, you're 11." And he took those shoes and he gave them to me. So I had new shoes, and I gave him my old shoes. We would do fitness tests in December. We always had off in December, and we were on the farm. After 3 weeks, Yanni took his shoes off and he had no toenails on, because the shoes was too small and I was running in his shoes that he should have been.
Wow.
So if that doesn't tell you the bond we had, it will never tell you what we went through.